How to transfer data from iPhone 7 to Android. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to transfer all your data from an iPhone 7 to an Android phone in just a few simple steps. Whether it's contacts, photos, messages, or more, this guide will make the switch smooth and fast. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Switch to Android. On your iPhone 7, go to App Store and download the app called Switch to Android by Google. Step 2. Prepare your Android phone. Turn on your Android phone and begin the setup process. When it asks if you want to transfer data from an older device, choose Yes. Step 3. Connect the phones. Now, connect your phone and Android using a Lightning to USB-C cable. If you don't have one, the app also works wirelessly. Step 4. Open the app and start the transfer. On your iPhone, open Switch to Android app. Follow the instructions. You'll be asked to scan a QR code shown on your Android screen. Step 5. Choose what to transfer. Now, choose the data you want to copy. Contacts, calendar, photos, videos, and more. Then, tap Continue. Step 6. Wait for the transfer. The process may take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. Just keep both phones connected. Step 7. Turn off iMessage. Before finishing, don't forget to turn off iMessage on your iPhone. Go to Settings and turn off iMessage. This ensures you receive all future texts on your Android. And that's it. You successfully moved your data from your iPhone 7 to your new Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.